What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're having some crazy weather today, let me tell you. Well, last week, after all the wind and rain we had, this is a lot more wind and probably as much rain, or close to it. I still got to clean out the side over here. For some reason, it's not draining properly, so we're back at it. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit and see what the heck we can do, but it warmed right up, so this ground is all mud, and everything's thawing out on top of it, so it's creating quite the mess. Look, tree just went down. We missed it. We got broken poplar right there. Pretty sure my tractor is safe where it's at, but the only tree I really have to worry about is probably that maple. But hopefully that maple hangs in there. All right, guys, we're gonna get the generator fired up and get some power going, get our internet going, and at least the fridge. Once it, if we lose power long enough, we'll get the fridge going. But basically internet, some lights, and then I can edit my video that I was supposed to edit and upload today. But with this weather, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it. Worst case, you guys will see it at a different time. Unbelievable. All right, we're gonna head back in, wait for the storm to settle down, and we'll show you guys the aftermath. If it stays this bad and my place doesn't get any worse, I'll be grateful. Let's hope nothing else gets damaged. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some water so we can do some business. You gotta go, you gotta go. All right, figured I'd take a quick walk in the woods here. It's the following morning, and just take a quick peek and see how much damage we got. From the looks of it so far, I don't think we're going to be doing too much tree harvest with the without getting all these blowdowns first. I don't want them to go to waste. As you can see, nice fir tree right there, and I know that's not going to be the only one. We do need logs, but I noticed this. Check this out. That's kind of a shame. We got this maple's hanging on to those pine trees, and this maple here looks like it's ready to be uprooted. But look at those white pines right there. It's a damn shame. They're a little younger and a little smaller than I wanted to take down, but at this point we pretty much have to. A lot of fir trees down. As you can see, there wasn't much ground to hang on to. It's a lot of ledge. Most of this property is ledge. But I'll tell you what, this will be one of our first projects as soon as we get some snowfall and the ground freezes. Try not to tear up this place too much. Look at the blowdowns. A lot of fir. I think a lot of them were actually older trees. They just were rotted and they never got the sunlight they needed, so I mean, they weren't really good trees anyway. But it's a lot of work to clean these up. I'm not sure what I'll do as far as cleanup goes. But as you look, you can see more and more broken ones. A lot of cleaning up to do. Tell you what, it's really gonna open up the sun, open up the sky for a lot of these younger trees. Probably not a bad thing. Kind of wondering if our deer stand's still standing, because that's at the top of a hill. Big poplar, uprooted. One of the ones I was gonna take down this winter. Looks like that stand just made it. Look at maple. Wow. A lot of cleaning up to do. Holy moly. Look at these trees. Uprooted. Oh, good. Plenty of poplar for future projects. The domino effect here. Wow. Some maple there. That'll be firewood. I'll tell you what, the deer probably have plenty to eat right now. The cedar. Well, it's perfect timing for our new saw we got. We got a MS 261, and the reason why we did that is it's a lot lighter for limbing, stuff like that. So we're gonna put that to use for sure. So I bet you can imagine the next video is probably gonna be a cleanup process. We'll be using the new MS 261, and we can kind of get a first impressions video on that. But for right now, I think we're gonna call it a day, and we're gonna get ready for cleanup for the storm. So once again, appreciate you watching. If you haven't done so yet, share, like, and subscribe. We'll see you soon.